Making Money in Real Estate, a DIY Enthusiast's Guide to Success. Introduction. Real estate has long been a favored avenue for investment, and for good reason. It offers the potential for substantial returns, diversification of your financial portfolio, and the opportunity to build wealth over time. While many people hire professionals to navigate the complexities of real estate transactions, there's an increasingly popular path for the DIY enthusiast, making money in real estate on your own terms. In this article, we'll explore how you, as a DIY enthusiast, can enter the world of real estate investment, from flipping houses to renting properties. With the right knowledge and a bit of elbow grease, you can turn your passion into profit. Educate yourself. Before diving headfirst into the world of real estate, it's essential to educate yourself. Start by reading books, taking online courses, and attending local real estate seminars or workshops. There's an abundance of information available, so absorb as much as you can about real estate investing strategies, market trends, and legal considerations. Define your investment strategy. Real estate investing offers various strategies to choose from, each with its own set of advantages and challenges. Here are a few popular options. A. House flipping. Purchase properties in need of renovation, make improvements, and sell them at a profit. B. Rental properties. Buy residential or commercial properties and rent them out for a steady stream of income. C. Real estate wholesaling. Identify off-market properties, negotiate deals with sellers, and assign the contracts to other investors for a fee. D. REITs. Real estate investment trusts invest in publicly traded REITs to own a share of various real estate properties without direct ownership responsibilities. East Real Estate crowdfunding. Pool your funds with other investors to collectively purchase real estate properties. Select the strategy that aligns with your interests, resources, and risk tolerance. Create a solid financial plan. Real estate investments often require significant capital upfront, so it's crucial to create a financial plan. Determine your budget, including how much you can comfortably invest and how you'll fund your projects. Explore financing options such as mortgages, private loans, or partnerships with other investors. Build a team. Successful real estate investors often have a team of professionals to assist with various aspects of their investments. Consider building relationships with real estate agents, contractors, inspectors, attorneys, and property managers. Having a reliable team can help you navigate the complexities of real estate transactions and ensure a smooth process. Location, location, location. The adage location, location, location holds true in real estate. Research and choose your investment locations carefully. Look for areas with strong job markets, good schools, low crime rates, and potential for growth. A well-chosen location can significantly impact your investment success. Due diligence. Thoroughly research any property you intend to invest in. Conduct inspections, evaluate market conditions, and analyze the property's potential for appreciation or rental income. Due diligence can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure your investment is sound. Start small and scale. It's often wise to start with smaller real estate investments and gradually scale up as you gain experience and confidence. Begin with projects that fit within your budget and risk tolerance, and don't be afraid to learn from your mistakes along the way. Adapt and evolve. Real estate markets can change rapidly, so it's crucial to adapt and evolve your investment strategy as needed. Stay updated on market trends and adjust your approach to maximize your returns. Conclusion. For DIY enthusiasts with a passion for real estate, there's ample opportunity to make money and build wealth in this dynamic industry. By educating yourself, defining a clear investment strategy, and following these steps, you can embark on a successful journey of real estate investment. Remember, it may not always be easy, but the potential rewards are worth the effort. With dedication and the right approach, you can turn your real estate dreams into a profitable reality.